Hi guys, this is the Innovative Minds Twitter. Yes, we are back again. It's 2024. Yes, it's been a while since I last posted videos on this YouTube channel. Yes, we are back again. Consistency now. Right. Today we are solving simple set equations. Remember, this video is specifically for grade 11, but even if you're in grade 12, you can also benefit, right? Because there's always a room for learning in mathematics. So in grade 11, you are expected to be able to solve equations with sets. So basically, we are going to solve these by inspection or by squaring both sides. And remember, whenever dealing with a set equation, you have to check your answer by substituting back to the original equations. Here are the 4 steps that you need to follow. 1. Isolate the set. 2. Square both sides. 3. Solve for x. 4. Check your answer. Right, without wasting time, let's get to today's video. And remember, if you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe. You only subscribe once. Right, let's get to today's video. So first thing first, right, we have you isolate the set. Yes, it's isolated in this manner. So after that, what are we going to do? We have root x plus 2, which when I transpose this to the other side, this will be 3, right? Yes, when you substitute, remember we need to isolate this. When you transpose -3, it becomes +3. So second step, yes, you have isolated the set. Second step, you square both sides. Right, this is the simplest way of solving a set equation. Remember, square root and 2 will cancel each other. Then we are left with x plus 2. Then when we square 3, that becomes 9. Then let's distribute 2 to the other side. Since it's positive, it's going to be negative. So we're going to have 9 minus 2. What is that? That's 7. So let's check. Our answer there, x is 7. Let's check by substituting back. 7 plus 2, where there is x replaced by 7, minus 3, what are you getting there? So 7 plus 2, that's 9. Square root of 9, that's 3. 3 minus 3, that's 0. So the answer is what? It's valid. It's valid in this manner, right? It's valid. Sometimes you'll find your answer that are not valid, right? So if you substitute back and you find that doesn't give you 0, that means that answer, it's invalid. So you will write NA, not applicable. You will write it like this, not applicable. If you find that when you substitute your answer, it's not giving you 0, you just write NA or you write not applicable, right? So because there are some cases that requires you to do that, right? So I hope grade 11 and 12 you are learning. Yes, remember, even if you are a person who's advanced, there's a room for learning in mathematics. Let's go to our second question. In this video, we'll focus on 2 questions only. Right, okay. First thing, we need to isolate the set. Okay, let's work on this. So we have root 3, 40 minus x. So let's transpose 5 to the other side. This will be 13 plus 5, in which this will be root 40 minus x. 13 plus 5, that will be 18, isn't it? Then second step, what do? You square both sides. You square. So when you square 3, it becomes 9. Sorry for that. Then when you square this, and square root and 2 will cancel. So using a root definition law, so we're having 40 minus x here. So when you square 18, that will be 18 times 18, that will be 324. Okay, that's 324. Right. Let's go. Let's work out this. 90 times 9 times 40, that will be 360, because 9 times 4 is 36. Then put 0 there. That will be 360. Then 9 times Remember this 9 times everything that is inside the bracket. 9 times x, that will be negative 9x. Then we have 324. So we need to collect the like terms. Let's make negative 9x the subject by taking, if you take 360, you transpose to the other side. 324 minus 360, that will give you negative 36. You're going to have negative 36. So we need to make x the subject. We are going to divide both sides by negative 9. So this and this will cancel. Then let's make x the subject. So how many times does 9 goes to 36? It goes 4 times, because 9 times 4 is 36. So it goes 4 times. So let's check. If I were to check, I will go here, and you can take your calculator to check, guys. When you say 3 root 40, where there's x, let's replace it by 4. So we're going to say 3 root 40 minus 4 minus 5. Where do we get there? We get 13. We get 13. So that means the answer is valid. So in case you find, when you substitute and you find that it doesn't give you 13, that means that that value it's invalid. So you can write an A. So those are the simplest way of solving a set equation, especially for you who are doing grade 11 and 12. Hope this video has helped you in shaping your mind in solving simple set equation. 4 steps to follow. You will never go wrong. See you on the next video, and remember, we love you. Do not forget to share the video, and do not forget to subscribe.